Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're interested in checking out the latest trending hashtags on TikTok, I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get right into it. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Explore page, where you can discover what's currently trending across the platform. As you scroll through the Discover page, you'll notice certain topics and hashtags marked with a pink arrow pointing up and to the right. This icon indicates that these hashtags are trending right now, making them a great opportunity to explore what's popular on TikTok. If you're interested in a specific topic, like cooking, you can type the keyword into the search bar and then tap on the Hashtags tab. This will bring up a list of related hashtags, with the most popular ones typically appearing at the top. These popular hashtags are usually determined by the number of posts and views associated with them. Using these trending hashtags in your own videos can significantly boost your visibility and engagement on the platform. Another great way to find trending hashtags is to simply scroll through the Discover page. TikTok does a good job of highlighting what's hot at the moment, so keep an eye out for those pink arrows as you browse. Alternatively, you can enter keywords directly into the search bar to find related trending hashtags that match your interests. To check the popularity of a specific hashtag, look at the number of likes on the top videos associated with it. This can give you an idea of how widely used and engaging a particular hashtag is. I hope this helps you navigate TikTok's trending hashtags and make the most of what's popular right now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.